Yeah, I'm out here on site. Got my framers here first thing in the morning. Man, I had to camp out in front of my site all night. They put a $7,000 bounty on my wood. They tried to shop it to one of my homeboys. Got back to me. I had to leave Atlanta, drive 2 hours to Chattanooga, Tennessee. Come up here and camp out, make sure nobody touched my wood. This happened because the lumber supplier that we use supposed to drop it off yesterday morning. Instead of dropping it off yesterday morning, they dropped it off yesterday afternoon. But by that time, the framers had already left because they didn't think the lumber was coming. So now the lumber got to sit overnight. So I was going to let the lumber sit overnight and just hope nothing happened, right? So I'm chilling at the house. I get a call from one of my homeboys. He like, hey, somebody just offered me $7,000, man, for the wood. I asked him where it was at, and I remember that's your property. So I was like, man, what? So I'm right there thinking. I'm calling security companies, trying to see who I can pay to sit out here overnight. Nobody answering the phone. It's after hours. So I had to do what I had to do. I had to get on down. I came up here and I camped out. I staked out this bitch 13 hours. Ain't nobody touching my wood. Fuck that. This a $20,000 lumber package. So I had to do what I had to do. I came out here and I staked out and I stayed up here for 13 hours till my lumber guys got here. My framers got here. Y'all see them back there working. We're gonna frame this thing up in a day and we're gonna keep it moving. But sometimes in real estate, it ain't gonna always be pretty. You gotta do what you gotta do. And last night, I did what I had to do. I hopped on that road. I made that 2-hour drive and I made sure this house got framed this morning. So, real estate ain't always pretty, man. If you're an excuse maker, this may not be for you. You gotta be a problem solver. Feel me? Holla at me.